Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Damn.
I can show you a cool spot where the cave is.
Where?
It's like probably like.
Oh, in Lions?
It's a little past Lions.
I think I know what you're talking about.
I'll show you.
Hope my exhaust isn't too loud and it just like totally fucking destroys my sound quality, which is already probably piss poor at best. Oh, look at the Lexus. Lexus RCF, tight. Yeah, where are you with, what's the space? What's your name? Up, go, go, go! Time to Lion's finest medical marijuana dispensary. Got pot shops. We got pot shops and Red Rocks. Wow, look at that beautiful view. Holy fucking moly. Look at that shit. Fucking beautiful. Got my little panda. I love you. This beautiful view. It's fucking amazing. These beautiful twisties. These beautiful people. It's beautiful. It's fucking beautiful. I got spit on my windscreen. Oh man, I got my hair cut the other night and now like, oh, it's like this helmet is not feeling good on my fucking hair follicles. I got spit on my windscreen because I yelled all stupid and it's like right in my left eye and I cannot see. Oh, my head is so itchy. I'm gonna move this helmet around. Oh my god, itch my head. Holy shit. Fucking itchy. Goddamn haircut. Making my head all goddamn itchy. Yeah, looks fine. I'm like, oh shit. That's funny. Toyota Tundra. Yeah. Fuck yeah, bruh. Bruh. Yeah, bruh. Yeah. Yeah, motherfucker. Yeah. That's right. Alright, bet. Woo, got some gravel. Holy schmoly. Cool. Yeah, let's do it. Hopefully, we should be okay. Alright. I'm gonna tell everybody because it's going on fucking YouTube, son. Damn, that's sketchy as fuck. Oh my god. Huh.
Yeah, I think you're just trying to keep your wood dry here. Yeah, someone is definitely keeping it. Oh no, there's good paint down here.
Watch out. Let's get it for the GoPro. Oh fuck! That was hilarious. Oh shit! That was fucking funny. This is a cross. Look at this. This is like a cross.
Yeah, that used to be the entrance blocked off.
Sure. Yeah. Good thing I brought a different pair of gloves. I know, I need a light.
I know, I got flashlight. No way.
What?
I just wanted to update you, let you know you passed your drug test and your physical.
Nice.
No fucking way, bro. I faked that shit so hard. Ready? You have your flashlight on your phone?
No, I don't have my phone. Damn, I can't see shit. Bro. You sure this is safe? Is this safe? What the fuck? How far does it go? Come here. I can't see. Alright. What the fuck? Yo, fuck that. It gets deep, bro. Fuck this. Let's go back this way. Yeah, because it gets deep. It's all water. Is there like bones in here and shit?
No. No animals will be put in here.
I doubt that.
By people.
You think so? I bet this would be like the perfect mountain lion cave.
Everybody that I know that knows about the place knows better not to touch the walls. Because you know what happens when you touch the walls instead of the cable off?
Huh.
It starts collapsing.
Oh yeah. Damn, this shit's wild.
There's like no even spiders in here, right?
Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Damn. Well, good thing I brought spare gloves with. How fast did I go? Did I get going?
Go on a halt like come on.
Oh, we should have smoked a bowl while we were up here.
We can smoke one right here.
Yeah. Fuck it.
Or we could chill in there and get
Wherever.
yeah, man.
That was fucking dope. That was fun. That was hilarious. I got fucking water and mud all up on my ass, but